guys, welcome back to Chicken Collect Stuff. I am Chicken, and today we are going to be checking out the Baze Malbus Black Series figure from Rogue One: A Star Wars Story. So without further ado, let's get into it. So of course we have the figure right here, but before we go any further, I would like to read the back to you guys. So here we have the back. I don't know if you can see that, so I'm just going to read it to you. The harsh reality of his Imperial-occupied homeworld has hardened Baze Malbus into a pragmatic soldier and a crack shot with his heavy repeater cannon. Okay, so now that we have read the back of the figure, let's get to the unboxing. Now that we have all the tape off, let's open it up. So... try not to let it fall out of the package. So there it is. I'm gonna take out that. Oh wait. Attach a little piece of tape. Hold on. So there's the figure. And there's his backpack. So now that we have the figure and the backpack out of the box, let's take a closer look at the figure. So here we have the head sculpt. Very good. Very good. Very good. I don't know if it's perfectly clear on your screen, but you can probably tell from like there that it's outstanding. And then he has all of his armor, then his like olive colored suit, couple little braids. And yeah, that's it for the figure. Then he has his humongous backpack thing. Here's the little bullet holder, I'm guessing. Little tape. And the bullet holder. Love the red. And then for the blaster, you can plug the blaster in to the bullet thing. And now, there we have it. So, now that we've reviewed all of the stuff for the figure, let's get to the ending of the video. This will be the ending of the video. I hope you enjoyed. And if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and like the video if you haven't already. Bye-bye.